Hello, my name is Megan. Today we're going to be replacing the power cord on our Whirlpool dryer. You may need to replace this if it's broken or frayed. For this repair, you're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 5/16 nut driver. Before working on any appliance, please disconnect your power source. This is our Whirlpool dryer. First thing we're going to do is we're going to flip it around. All we're going to do is unscrew this screw right here. I'm also going to unscrew the top screw so I can easily get this plate out. I'm just going to pull it on out, set it off to the side. We're going to unscrew the ground wire with your 5/16 nut driver. Now we're just going to push that down, pull it out. And you're going to use a flathead screwdriver if you need it, or not, they'll come up right off by pulling. Now grab your new OEM replacement part. If you do not already have one, you can purchase it on our website. Now we're just going to reattach the wires, push it in, push it on, and just make sure it's tucked in. I'm going to slide this back up. Now you're going to take your 5/16 screw for your ground, and you're just going to screw it back in. Put your access panel back in. Now you're just going to grab your screws. Screw the two that we took back out to give us a little more room. Turn it around and plug in your dryer. You've completed your repair. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our online store. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.